Look at that. Good morning. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. My subscribers, my viewers, my returning subscribers, yeah, keep watching, and thank you so much for the support. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please endeavor to subscribe, like and share. Yeah, we have a lot of people ask us about our garden. How come you have very healthy plants? So today I'm going to tell you the secret of having healthy plants, or very, very growing, fast growing plants in your gardens, right there at your home. Okay, in your backyard, that little garden you have at home. Yeah, so this is how we do it. I'm gonna show you how we do it. So I have my mother here today, and also my sister Tanya and Isaac. We're gonna show you how we mix the soil. When you mix this kind of soil, your plants will grow very fast, and all the plants will look healthy. Okay, so let's go and see how we mix the soil. But before that, let me first show you how mixed soil makes plants grow. Okay, let's have a little review of our plants, how enormous they're growing, how fast they're growing, because we mix soil. Now these are the cabbages. You see, every day there's a new, every day there's a new change. Look at that. So these are the tomatoes. Those are the tomatoes, and it is so beautiful to do some camping at home. So guess what, there's a camping tent over there around the garden and around the trees. It really feels good, I tell you guys. Okay, you see how the maize is really growing? Look at that. And the guavas grow all the time. Look at that. So everything here grows because we just, got soil, mixed it up, and then started growing. Okay, yes. And for you, if you cannot mix the soil, I'll also tell you that natural fertilizer that helps you also make your soil grow plants very fast. Look at that. Yeah, so all mixed. A lot of guavas here, guys. Yeah, this tree has a lot of guavas, quite a lot. So when you mix your soil, you get proper production of plants. Okay, so I've shown you that side, and I think I need also to go this side and show you. This place is just full of plants. Now look at the aubergine, guys. Yeah, last time I showed you when we were harvesting aubergine, and now let me show you. You see the beauty of mixing up soil? Look. So before we go to soil mixing, wait, look, this is all maize. You remember our maize, which we transported here? Look at that. This is all mixing. Do you want to say hello to them? Okay, say hi. Hi. Okay, what's your name? Aban. Okay. Oh, Aban! Udela Dumba, engineer. This girl thinks she's going to be an engineer. Let me tell you, dreams are valid. So I don't know why she calls herself an engineer, but I think she wants to be an engineer. So one day I believe Aban will be an engineer, and she will leave to watch this video one day, and then she will be like, was it just like a joke? All of a sudden I'm an engineer after growing up. Okay guys, let's go back to the plants. Look at our veggies. Okra tree, look at that. Okay, look at the beans. Tomatoes. Also this side. Oh my god. Here we have plants like maize, we have trees, guava trees, we have apple trees, and we have spinach, we have flowers. It's a mixed garden. We have carrots. Look at how carrots are growing. Look at that. So even the carrots are growing. We have beans. Yes, beans are also growing. Okay, so after showing you the plants, yes, I'm gonna show you today. We'll do the planting of berries, and then also we're gonna be doing the planting of berries. I'll come back and show you how the berries are really growing, but for today I want to show you the secret of how your plants can grow so fast with mixed soil. You can do this at your home. You don't need to have a lot of good soil to make plants grow. As long as you have what it takes, yes, there you are. Okay, so let's go straight and mix the soil, then I'll come back and show you what next.
Early morning sun, silver water from the hose, washing every leaf, turning dirt to mud. Green leaves reaching out, red vine climbing tall, sweet peas in a row, waiting for the sky. Oh, I see you growing, rain falling from my hands. Every little seedling knows my name. Roots deep in the sand, keep growing, keep growing. Soft pepper skin, worm wiggles in the shade. Ladybug on patrol, dragonfly swings low. Green leaves reaching out, red vine climbing tall, sweet pea
Wanji? Nze tugenda okwasa ddala zino. Bigula bigula kibunge bitenge. Kozi nekiri kwasala libadde amazzi. Kuba ebintu ebyo mpalizo bireme kubeera gange bijja. Tena nofuna n'ebintu bya block. Oleke biteekawo. Oleka biteekamu obutundu busatu. Ase. Ebintu bya block. Tutoka bricks za boziteeka mugonge za absorbing water. Nti ne bwegwa musana block ziri keeping water. Kati zo keeping on. They keep on supplying to the plant you have put there. So we are putting 3 in each garden.
All the process has been shown to you, and now I'm sure you know why our plants grow so fast. Yes, those are the questions that you've been asking, and that's why I came out to make this video for you. Mixing soil. Yeah, sometimes we got to get away from our normal farming so that we can have proper production, yeah, of plants or whatever it is that you are growing. It feels good to see your plants grow all the time, you know. Yeah, some of you grow plants and they fail. Why? Because you don't know how to mix this soil. Now, the fact that you have learned mixing the soil, I'm sure it's not going to be difficult for you anymore, right? In the comment box below, tell me that you have learned something. Seriously, like this video.
Use grind like gravel in a blender. Anytime, any place. Give me a reason. Anytime, any place. Just tell me where to go.
Okay, welcome back from mixing the soil. Then what next? So today we're gonna be planting onions. You call them onions, here we call them spring onions. Yes. And the onions are really growing so very fast. Okay, yes, let's go plant the onions and then in our mixed soil. Then I'll come back a few days. In fact, if we have a plant that grows very fast as spring onions, and when I come back I'm gonna show you, yes, I'll show you how these spring onions have really grown. Okay, so it's planting time. Let's do the planting of onions.
Early morning sun, silver water from the hose, washing every leaf, turning dirt to mud. Green leaves reaching out, red vine climbing tall, sweet peas in a row, waiting for the sky. Oh, I see you growing roots deep in the sand. Keep growing, keep growing. Soft pepper skin, worm wiggles in the shade. Ladybug on patrol, dragonfly swings low. Green leaves reaching out, red vine climbing tall. Sweet peas in a row, waiting for the sky. Oh, I see you growing, rain falling from my hands. Every little seedling knows my name. Roots deep in the sand. Keep growing, keep growing. Tomatoes getting ready, corn taller than my waist. Harvest in the air, dinner on the vine. I see you growing, rain falling from my hands. Every little seedling knows my
Hope you
name.
enjoyed watching us planting. Today I was the camera lady all the time. So my mom was planting. My sister Tanya was also planting. Go check her up on her channel, Tanya Barb's World. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed. I'm just next to a fountain here. Look, that's a DIY fountain. You can have a farm fountain at home. Look at that. Also love the flowers here. Just seated down here around the fountain, and I'm ending my video from this beautiful area. Thank you so much for watching. Do you have any question? Please, in a comment down below, you can ask, leave a sweet comment. Just if you want to know more, I'm here to answer you back. Okay, hope you're gonna do some gardening at your home. You don't need to have a very big garden to do gardening. You don't there are some plants you don't need to buy, you know. There are some veggies you don't need to buy. All you need is get soil, mix it up like I've just shown you. Yeah, get the sand, get that charcoal hash, and some broken bricks, and then everything will be just right fine. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, let's meet in my next video.